Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world's top 10 stock markets. Trillions of dollars are exchanged, and the pulse of the global economy beats here. We'll break down their trade volumes and blue-chip companies. You know I love a good comparison. We'll explore where major Asian markets stand globally. The financial landscape is constantly shifting. Understanding these markets is key to understanding global wealth. Stick around, because it's not just about the numbers. Major global events can send shockwaves through these markets. It's all interconnected. Get your notepads ready, grab a coffee, and let's get into it. Smash that like button if you're excited. Kicking things off with the heavyweight champion, the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE. Located in the heart of Wall Street, it's the largest stock exchange globally by market capitalization. The NYSE boasts an annual trade volume exceeding $20 trillion, home to giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Johnson & Johnson. Listing on the NYSE is a badge of honor. Next up, the Nasdaq, known for its high concentration of technology stocks. With an annual trade volume around $10 trillion, the Nasdaq is the second largest exchange by market capitalization. It was the world's first electronic stock market, setting the stage for the future of trading. The Nasdaq is synonymous with innovation and hypergrowth. Think of companies like Amazon, Alphabet, Google, and Meta platforms. These companies are world-changing, and their presence on the Nasdaq cements its reputation. The Nasdaq Composite Index is a closely watched market indicator globally. Its performance is often seen as a proxy for the health of the tech sector. Listing requirements on the Nasdaq are more flexible, attracting younger, faster-growing companies. This has created a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. The Nasdaq's $10 trillion in annual trade volume is a testament to immense investor interest. It provides a different flavor of investment opportunities compared to the NYSE. Understanding the Nasdaq is crucial to understanding modern investment trends. It's a critical part of American financial dominance. Let's head to Asia and the Tokyo Stock Exchange, or TSE, in Japan. With an annual trade volume of $6 trillion, the TSE is a financial titan, home to Toyota, Sony, and Mitsubishi. Main indices are the Nikkei 225 and Topix. The Nikkei 225 is a key benchmark, lists thousands of companies, a mature market with strong regulations, promotes corporate governance reforms, attracts foreign investors, known for advanced trading systems, $6 trillion in annual trades, a cornerstone of Asia's financial system, reflects broader Asian and global trends, a market to watch. Now let's look at the Shanghai Stock Exchange, or SSE. With an annual trade volume of around $5 trillion, the SSE is a major force. It primarily lists China's largest state-owned enterprises. Think of companies like PetroChina, ICBC, and China Mobile. The SSE has A shares and B shares, with A shares historically only available to domestic investors. The main index for the SSE is the SSE Composite Index. The performance of the SSE can have significant implications for international markets. The SSE is known for being influenced by domestic policy and can exhibit higher volatility. The Shanghai Stock Exchange's $5 trillion trade volume is a clear indicator of its growing importance. As China continues to reform its financial markets, the SSE's role is likely to become even more significant. It's a market that represents immense opportunity and unique challenges. The SSE is central to understanding the future of Asian finance. It's a fascinating and dynamic exchange. The SSE is essential for understanding global economic power shifts. Let's talk about the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, or HKX. With an annual trade volume of around $4 trillion, HKX is a powerhouse. It plays a pivotal role in channeling international capital into Chinese enterprises. The HKX is a preferred listing venue for many Chinese companies. Major companies listed on the HKX include HSBC, Tencent, and AIA. The main index for the HKX is the Hang Seng Index. The Stock Connect program links HKX with the Shanghai and Shenzhen exchanges. This interconnectedness is a defining feature of HKX. The Hong Kong Stock Exchange's $4 trillion annual trade volume is significant. It thrives on its unique position and robust regulatory environment. While it faces evolving geopolitical landscapes, its role as a super connector remains significant. The HKX is crucial for understanding Asian markets. It's an indispensable exchange for investing in Chinese companies. The HKX is a critical node in the global financial network. Let's hop over to Europe and look at Euronext. Euronext is a pan-European stock exchange operating across multiple countries. With an annual trade volume of about $3.5 trillion, Euronext is significant. Euronext was formed through the merger of the Amsterdam, Brussels, and Paris stock exchanges. It has since expanded by acquiring other national exchanges. Euronext offers a unified trading platform for a diverse range of European companies. Major companies listed on Euronext include LVMH, Royal Dutch Shell, and Unilever. Euronext operates several national benchmark indices. Euronext has been a leader in ESG investing and markets for small and medium-sized enterprises. The $3.5 trillion in annual trade volume showcases its success. Euronext provides a crucial platform for European companies to raise capital. It offers a single point of entry for investors to access European stocks. Euronext's model of consolidating European exchanges gives it significant clout. It's a vital player in the global financial landscape. Our European tour continues with the London Stock Exchange, or LSE. The LSE boasts an annual trade volume of approximately $3 trillion. The LSE Group operates the exchange and is a diversified global financial markets infrastructure business. The LSE is a major center for bond trading, derivatives, and financial data. Many prominent companies are listed on the LSE, including BP, GlaxoSmithKline, and HSBC. The LSE's FTSE 100 index is a globally recognized benchmark. The AIM market is designed for smaller, growing companies. The LSE has been a leading venue for listings from companies in emerging markets. The London Stock Exchange's $3 trillion annual trade volume is significant. Its deep expertise and strong regulatory framework ensure its relevance. The LSE's history and infrastructure make it a key global financial center. It's a market that has constantly adapted and reinvented itself. The LSE remains a formidable force in global finance. It's a crucial player in the global financial system. Let's head back to China for the Shenzhen Stock Exchange, or SCSE. The SCSE focuses on high-growth, innovative companies, particularly in technology and manufacturing. With an annual trade volume of around $2.5 trillion, the SCSE is significant. The SCSE has emphasized serving small and medium-sized enterprises and technology-driven companies. It operates a multi-tiered market structure, including the main board, the SME board, and the Chinext market. Chinext is designed for fast-growing, innovative startups. Major companies listed on the SCSE include Ping An Insurance, Vanke, and BID Company. The SCSE Composite Index and the Chinext Index are key benchmarks. The SCSE can exhibit higher volatility, but also potentially higher returns. The SCSE participates in the Stock Connect program, increasing its global visibility. The Shenzhen Stock Exchange's $2.5 trillion trade volume is significant. It plays a crucial role in financing China's economic transformation. The SCSE is well-positioned to benefit from China's emphasis on innovation. It's essential for understanding China's evolving economic landscape. Let's head to Canada and the Toronto Stock Exchange, or TSX. The TSX is a major player in the North American financial landscape. It boasts an annual trade volume of about $2 trillion. The TSX is known for its strength in resource companies, particularly mining and energy. The TSX is also home to a growing number of technology and financial services firms. The S&P/TSX Composite Index is the primary benchmark for Canadian equity performance. Major companies listed on the TSX include Royal Bank of Canada, Shopify, and Enbridge. The TSX lists more mining companies than any other exchange in the world. The TSX Venture Exchange caters to earlier-stage public companies. The Toronto Stock Exchange's $2 trillion annual trade volume is significant. It offers a stable and well-regulated environment for investment. The TSX plays a crucial role in funding Canadian enterprise and innovation. The TSX's sector strengths make it a key market to understand. It's a vital component of the global financial system. Finally, we journey to India and the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE. The BSE has an annual trade volume of approximately $1.5 trillion. The BSE is known for its benchmark index, the S&P BSE Sensex. The BSE has been at the forefront of modernizing India's financial markets. Major companies listed on the BSE include Reliance Industries, Tata Consultancy Services, and HDFC Bank. The S&P BSE Sensex is a key indicator of the Indian market. India's demographic dividend and economic reforms make its stock market attractive. The BSE has been instrumental in channeling domestic savings into productive investments. The Bombay Stock Exchange's $1.5 trillion trade volume is significant. It represents the aspirations of one of the world's fastest-growing major economies. The BSE will play an even more crucial role as India integrates with the global economy. The BSE signifies the rise of emerging economies in the global financial order. It's a market to watch for future growth and opportunities. The BSE is essential for understanding India's economic landscape. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the top 10 global stock markets. American markets like the NYSE and Nasdaq still dominate the global financial landscape. European exchanges like Euronext and the LSE also hold significant sway. Asian markets are rapidly catching up and becoming increasingly influential. The scale of exchanges in Tokyo, Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Shenzhen is undeniable. The Bombay Stock Exchange highlights the growing importance of emerging markets like India. The future of global finance is likely to be more multipolar. Global events can have a profound impact on these financial giants. A downturn in one major market can quickly spread globally. Staying informed and managing risk are incredibly important. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you got value. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world of finance. See you in the next video.